Hi, my name is Andreas Corrales with Infiniti of Clarendon Hills, and today we'll be showing you how to replace an Infiniti key fob battery. Infiniti offers three different key fobs: the QX30, the standard Infiniti key fob, and the newer Infiniti key fob with the remote start. The battery that we will replace in all three key fobs is the CR2032. You can find this on our Infiniti parts store online. Starting with the QX30 battery, you're going to depress the valet switch on the back of the key fob and pull out the valet key. Find the button inside here for the valet key to pop the back of the QX30 key off. Once the backing is off, you'll see the located of the CR2032 battery. We will gently tap the key fob against our hand to get the battery off. Remember, with the QX30 key fob, we want the positive side of the battery facing the back. So we'll put the new battery in, press it in, put the backing back on, like such, and return the valet key to the back of the key. You've properly changed the QX30 key. Moving forward to the standard and new Infiniti key fobs, you will find on the top, after you remove the valet key, that there's two grooves on either key fob. Then you will take a flathead screwdriver or anything like a key or flathead and put them right in those grooves and gently twist. And that will pop the seam of the backing. And you're going to follow with the flathead and gently pop open the key fob battery, just like shucking an oyster. Once completed, I have to shuck both sides. You'll find the internals for the key. Put the front half down along with the electrical components. You'll find the key battery, and with a flathead, gently pry the battery from the backing. With the standard Infiniti key fob and the new Infiniti key fob, we want to remember to have the negative side facing up. Once finished, we're going to take the two components and put them back together, and we're just going to match up the sides here. And they snap back in, nice and easy. Remember to take your valet key and put it back in the top of the key. Thank you for watching. Once again from Infiniti of Clarendon Hills.